Good morning, all of you. Welcome in our OBT class for class 8. Yesterday's previously class we have to discuss about enterprises and their types, and also discuss about the different types of employment. Today we are going to discuss about information related foreign employment. Different types of information we can get through different media, different sources for foreign employment. Firstly, we have discussed about the term foreign employment. The job opportunity in other country or more than one country is known as foreign employment. It is also known as abroad job. It is also known as other country job. In similar terms, the foreign employment, those types of employment opportunity which we get in other countries or our next countries, these are known as foreign employment. So students, we discuss about different types of job that where people have to work. People not only work in our same country, they have to go in different countries, abroad, Gulf countries. And how do they get information? What are the sources? How they get information related to the job, their job nature, work of nature, different types of climate activities. These are going to discuss here today. Today our topic is sources of information. Sources of information related to foreign employment. Related to foreign employment. Where people get information, these are known as sources. The people get different types of information through different media, different sources. We are going to discuss here. The first one I have to written here, that is Ministry of Labor. Ministry of Labor. First we are going to discuss about it. Ministry of Labor is one of the main umbrella-like network which gives information related to different types of foreign job. It has right to formulate rules, regulations, policy related to foreign employment. It also advertise different types of training, for foreign job. It also advertise different types of information related to foreign job. These Ministry of Labor have authority to formulate the labor policy, rules, regulations. These are, and people can get these. This is a main branch. That's why people can get different types of information related to job. Other is there is Department of Labor. Department of Labor. It is mainly for job. The Department is Labor is one of the branch of Ministry of Labor. It means the Department of Labor work under the Ministry of Labor. Department of Labor have the right to carry labor insurance, carry labor insurance, health examination, that is known as medical health examination, It also formulate rules, plans, etc. Department of Labor work under the Ministry of Labor. It means all the departments supervised by the Ministry of Labor. It carry insurance for labor. It also do a health examination, that is medical examination, and people get different types of information. The other next one is manpower consultancy. Manpower consultancies. Manpower consultancies. In our country, there are more than 200 manpower consultancies related to foreign employment, and it has capacity to advertise different types of news related to foreign employment. Not only this, it also control labor examinations. It gives priority to labor that for job. It helps people to get different types of job, their job nature, etc. These manpower consultancy come under the Department of Labor. These are going to by step. And the other is professional associations. These professional associations are many in our country. These work under the Ministry of Labor and Department of Labor. Now these are the branches, these are the main headquarters, this is the Mantralaya and their department, Shakha. Professional association, these provide professional information. And professional information means related to job nature, work salary, time period for job, time period of job, the other that is contract, labor contract, how many years they have to do work, these types of information we have to get from professional associations. And the next one is websites. And students, we all know that website is one of the sites where we visit all types of information related to foreign job. There are different types of websites are there, www websites are related to all countries. We can get different types of information. The other one is returned labor. Returned labor means those people who already work in foreign employment, who are already engaged in foreign employment. They have knowledge and experience about the foreign country because they have already engaged and worked in foreign country. They are the reliable source of foreign employment information because they have faced their rules, regulations, climates for job, foreign job. They have idea about the job, their nature. They can share us nature of job, rules of the country, rules of the related country. They have also idea about the level of hygiene for abroad. They have also idea about different types of climate condition of the foreign country. Students, now we are going to discuss about the returned labor. Returned labor is a reliable source. We know that they have different types of experience about the job. And the last one, there are different sources. training provided related to employment. These training centers give us different types of information related to foreign job. They have contract with professional association. They have directly contract with manpower consultancies, manpower agencies. They are the manpower agency, manpower consultancy have to give them different types of work, different types of training program, different types of job opportunity for training institutes, and it give us information about limitation of job. Limitation of job, it means what type of job, what types of work we have to do in the related job, different types of experience, different types of training provided, and we get information related to job in training institutes. Students, earlier we have to discuss that foreign employment. Now tell me, if people, how foreign employment help Nepalese people, or how foreign employment is beneficial for the context of Nepal. These all questions contain our 5 marks. There is the different types of questions I have to give you at last. What do you mean by foreign employment? What are the different sources of information related to foreign employment? Explain all of them. These questions contain 5 marks. And students, again I have to give you just 1 minute that Ministry of Labor is an umbrella network. It has authority. Department of Labor work under the Ministry of Labor. Manpower consultancy, professional association, websites, returned laborers, training institutes. These are the branches, and these all branches and main ministry have to give an information related to foreign job to people, community people, all people. Students, remember this question and be safe in your home. Next time we have to visit again. Thank you.